Thank you, thank you.
Okay, recording started.
I don't need luck, actually, so kind of insulted that you would wish that.
Choose your hero.
Oh, we're going flock only. All right, all right. See, how am I gonna build this guy? I know the perfect build. I've got a feeling this guy just built like 3 mantles or something. Doesn't even know that Viper's an agility hero.
Oh,
What an
God.
absolute noob. Oh shit, he has the
All iron
skin.
branches.
Oh my god.
Look at those stats.
Alright.
Prepare for battle.
No bounties, right?
That is up to you.
Oh, okay.
In Kestrel's 1v1, he had Beetle Chris go bottle and get every room.
Whoa.
Bounties do not spawn at minute 0, though, if that's what you're asking.
No, I was just...
"30 seconds to battle.
Well, what you doing up here?
Oh boy, oh boy!
This is gonna be fun.
Who's gonna win the block?
It's
It's even.
pretty even. I think he might have won, though.
Just slightly.
1 for 1 with the CS.
Chris's item build's a whole lot greedier.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we got variants in some builds.
Oh my god, he's cheating. I'm gonna have a fucking meltdown, mate. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Alright, that's fine, that's fine. Oh no. Alright, we're getting some tower damage early on.
I think the denies are going to make a difference in this one.
But not quite.
Oh, crap. like that.
Okay, that was dangerous.
CS is even again.
You're cheating.
I am a known cheater. This is true. I cheat by being the best Dota player in the world.
Yes, CS is pretty close. One's got more than eyes.
Whoa. Oh! Oh shit, he's going all in! Oh
I
my
think you
god.
kind of forced him to because you put a thing down that made him not be able to stand in it.
Whoa, 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 no mid-game coaching, that's cheating! Oh my god.
Alright, alright.
You believe the Sosa cheater? Oh, the miss.
Oh man.
Really hyped, living up to all the expectations.
Oh my god, he's got the cheat. He's going cheater mode. Yeah, we're fine though. We're fine though. He's gonna die to tower. Oh, look at all that tower damage. Definitely not worth for the Viper.
There's still
Which
time
one?
for a comeback.
Oh no, he picked up the rune.
Yeah, we don't GG after Wonder.
I do.
My god.
Probably just spoiled for all our viewers at home who didn't know.
Oh, wait, whoa!
Yeah, you're assuming people caught up on that game.
Kind of like the biggest thing that's happening right now. I would have assumed everyone watched it by now.
Some people got really busy day jobs.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta at least give it a week.
Nah. I do a little spoiling.
Whoa, what is that? All in, all in, all in, all in,
Oh my god. Dang.
Oh my god.
I think if you don't stand in
We
the
get a
poison, you
1-1
don't
game.
die that.
Had to even it back up for the suspense.
CS
It's
is even,
suspense.
kills are even.
Yeah, it's your boy, the Vipe Man.
This is so
Quite
far
a
the
shift in
closest
the
game I've
draft.
had.
If anyone is looking at that.
Oh yeah,
True.
look at that. Win probability goes from 100% down to 0%.
Lucky.
Ooh.
Oh, I made a crucial error. But it's okay.
Excited to see how the second half plays out.
Hey, this is gonna be a 40-minute game.
Yeah, I'm taking it to level 25.
It's the only true way to test strength is get max level. 6 slotted.
Illusion.
I've been exposed.
Oh, there's 3 of them. What's going on?
Got a
Yeah, you
Mantis
bought
tail.
Manta.
Early Manta.
Uh-oh. Oh no, I'm standing in his puddle. Oh no. Alright, don't tell the
Cheeky
boys what
exchange.
happened. Oh no.
Oh, a
Oh
questionable
no.
route home.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god, he cheated.
I think
Oh
that was
my
legit.
god. I know,
What
I'm
was
gonna
the CS
call.
comparison there?
I'll have to see at the end. I think
Oh,
you're
that's
up by
right.
5.
Yeah.
I went for the greedy illusion roast strategy and failed to consider the sick pool move that he did. Damn. Alright, a pretty sick 1v1 so far.
Yeah, not bad. Do you mind if I grabbed my coffee real quick?
Oh my god, he's taking drugs to increase his performance. You know what? I'll allow it. I'll
All
allow
right,
it.
sweet. You're welcome to any drug you wish to use.
Alright. Doing some crack.
Yeah, when this blows up, we're gonna have to start testing people.
Yeah.
Alright, post game interview. How you feeling after that one? Free mic quiz.
I'm feeling pretty good. I've definitely assessed that my opponent is a known cheater, so that's something to watch out for. But I think I've got a secret strategy up my sleeve that he's never gonna see coming.
Yeah, we love to see it. I mean, it was a close game in terms of score. It was 2-1, so
Yeah, exactly. You know, he put
competition's
his
there.
cooldown in the trees, which, you know, I'm blind, actually, so I'm fighting at a major disadvantage here, and I feel like he took advantage of that, so it's a little bit of a discrimination thing, but, you know, we gotta move past it, move on, move forward. Just hit him with the sick roast on the next one.
Yeah, I think next time we'll make a disability bracket to stop this from happening.
All right,
But yeah,
here we go.
the para 1v1s of Dota.
So am I radiant now?
You pick what side you want.
Yeah.
Oh,
If
okay.
you want.
You can dire if you want.
Yeah, I do dire.
Alright, can we get Fireman in the broadcast? Nice. Good luck.
Alright, I'm busting out a, I'm gonna probably hit the random button here, I think.
Okay.
Oh, he's gonna start with an extra mango.
If you do, you need to drop your Mango and Tango.
Oh, wait, really?
Or
Okay.
whatever it's called, Mango Fairy Fire.
Alright. Well, looks like, I randomed the Venomancer. Venom.
Okay.
Alright, that's pretty sicko mode. We're gonna go with a really sicko mode, build here as well. We're gonna go... Where are we gonna
Another
go
toxic
here?
matchup.
Yeah, pretty toxic.
Oh, look at those
A
stats.
really bad Venus set. Also,
Oh
not a
my-
really good Venus set.
What happened to that Venomancer?
I don't know. Pulled some of his own toxic goo.
Already, I'm rooting for neither to win.
What do you mean? I have the sickest set in the game, the default banana.
Do one banana taunt.
Do you want?
Yeah,
You
do a
think I
banana
won't?
taunt. Alright, I know who I'm
Got an
rooting for.
interesting build going.
Yeah, they call me the #1 Venom main on the West Coast. Oh my god.
Do you
That
know
might
what?
have been why my ult wasn't working last game. I didn't have my mouse profile set up, so I couldn't ult him. I was like, oh, I must just be missing really
Excuses,
bad.
excuses.
No. I think this man
Reddit.
sabotaged my mouse. He is a known cheater.
Redo.
So,
We gotta do game one again.
Alright, a fun trivia. Do we know what primary attribute Venomancer is?
yeah, he's an intelligence guy.
You know what?
Yo, don't tell Graham that he's actually an agility guy.
The battle begins.
Alright, I gotta be real careful, save my Gale for the right moment.
I
Oh,
like
I like it.
on the Radiant side. Don't like the spell build, but I do like the build.
oh no.
Is that a seasoned Venomancer speaking?
I play a lot of Venom, yeah.
Oh, he does have the taunt. I don't have the taunt. That might be what throws this game for me.
That's fine, that's fine. Oh no. Alright. Good CS on my side so far. I heard it's a real bad CS for the blue team.
You're blue.
Wait, no. I'm actually on the red team.
No. You are blue.
Yeah, I have colorblind mode on and you are blue.
Oh no. Look at all these blind people.
Even if you were, even from your perspective, you would be blue. Isn't Killer Queen?
Yeah, they don't have a colorblind mode in that. They only have a blind mode where you turn off your monitor and turn up your
Yeah.
sound.
That's why I can't play that game, because there's no colorblind mode.
Oh yeah, Fireman's colorblind. How do you see
Yeah.
the fire when you're fighting fires if you're colorblind?
Still see it, it just...
We rolling?
Both ready.
Yeah, I got the Devilman playing.
Alright, let me know when I can unpause and I'll count down.
Alright, we're good to go.
Good to go, Thomas?
Good to go.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. I was waiting for that one.
Ooh.
Cheater.
Ooh.
Dang.
Nothing for your troubles.
This one's pretty intense.
Pretty up there.
Oh, we're approaching a key level.
Stop it. Now,
Time is low.
There's a clear winner on last hits, but also a clear winner on denies.
True. No. Starting.
It begins. Who's gonna win the Battle of the Wards?
What?
Where's what I'm looking for?
Regeneration.
Dire's middle tower is under attack. First blood!
Oh no.
First blood. I
I tried. I tried.
Everyone.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
Another even game.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some bad Melbourne.
Bad manners are in the game right now.
We got some interesting builds.
Yeah. Can't say I'm in love with either of them.
Alright, Flamer.
It's my job. I do a little flaming.
You meant to put out the fires, not cause them.
No. I do what I want.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
I hit him with the tip. This is a real war. It's a pretty sustained assault.
I believe we're in our longest match now.
Yeah, really competitive.
Half HP on that tower.
Oh!
Oh, the turn.
Oh no!
Oh!
That's it! That's it!
Believe! Believe! Oh, the tower!
Oh my, you ran out of mana, no.
The secret Venom strategy.
He did it!
Okay,
Alright.
game 3, here we go.
Go to game 3.
Yeah. Okay, because I was like,
I'm good.
why is this man not ulting me right now?
I just cleared up
Alright.
15 more gigs, I'm good.
Yeah, I
Nice
gotta
pick
go
your
back
side,
and
Chris.
see how much mana I had.
I'm a radiant.
You were 50 short.
Of my ult.
Yeah,
Oh man.
That's
I was.
it was the Veil mana that got you.
Yeah.
Alright, we ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Alright, good luck. Graham's picking hero, unless for some reason he wants to forfeit that.
I don't think so.
All right, who you picking?
The Slime Guild versus the Turb Guild.
Yeah,
The series
representing the
finale.
Mine Boys. Just when you're picking, remember, I'm a master of all guys in the game.
Gotcha. So pick a female.
Oh shit. Oh
Did I
no.
choose Dire last game?
Yeah, he chose Dire.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit, he's playing as the pirate. Little does he know, I mastered pirate, boys.
I hope we see some of the famous catchphrases from Pirate Boys this game.
Alright. Yeah, there's some pretty good catchphrases.
10 seconds remaining.
There we go.
Admiral Kung.
You have your waterlogged Kunkka shoes on?
Damn straight.
Alright, observers, how are we feeling about this game 3?
I think Candle's coming into slight advantage because of his set.
Yeah,
Oh.
true.
He's got the set. Oh.
He's a veteran of the game, 10 years. Coming up.
Oh shit, he has a pretty sick set though. He's got his telescope on his side. He's gonna be able to see me from across the map.
I should have kept my Leviathan Whaleblade.
It's a reference to the scan ability.
Huh?
Telescope, a reference to the
Prepare
scan
Oh,
ability
yeah,
from Dota 2.
battle.
It's nice to have movement speed again. Alright.
30 seconds to battle.
And he doesn't even know about my pirate ship move I'm gonna get at level 6.
Huh, you're only getting that at level 6?
Yeah, you know, I like to keep it tasty.
Gangster.
Yeah, keep it gangsta. I'm a real G.
The battle
You're a real,
begins.
P.
Oh man. Pirate. Let's see.
Shit. Oh, fuck. Good thing he doesn't know how to block.
You're right.
Another even block.
Oh. Actually insane.
Oh no. Oh my god, he's cheating! What?
I think not.
Oh my god.
A little roasting going on here.
Oh my god.
Oh
no.
no.
Whoa! Yeah, you want that deny? You're gonna take some damage for it, guy.
No.
Oh!
Nice lane push. Nice lane push.
Boys in the air. What you gonna do about it? Oh my god. Yeah, that's right. Whoa. That just cleaved me. Like I'm Cleveland. From the Cleveland show.
Cleveland
Got
Brown.
Ohio.
Oh. Alright, my block worked out. Whoa, 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 relax, relax. That's right.
Nice one. Nice one.
Man, ain't even relaxing. I was maxing out, relaxing all cool, dude, shooting some b-ball outside of the school, dude.
You were shooting school. The fuck?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Doesn't sound
That's what you're
very
doing in
chill.
online.
Oh my god, oh. Hey, get the fuck away from my water, dude.
Never.
Whoa. Whoa, no. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
The first bottle purchase of the match.
Everyday man. Whoa, you're not supposed to spoil that.
Wow. Okay.
Ghosting.
No. Oh, I couldn't get my combo off because he's a cheater. Oh my god, he's bringing out the hand?
No gold for you.
I can't.
One Kunka.
You get
How do you
nothing.
play against this man? He's crazy.
Don't worry.
Apparently you just let him try to play against you and he does it for you.
Ain't nobody finna see my next move coming. Got him.
This is what League does to a man.
If this were a League 1v1, I was playing Kunkka in League, oh my god. This man would be dead twice already. They'd call him the double deadman.
autonomy terrible though. You have to buy all the heroes.
True.
In fact, you probably couldn't mirror match up because you just have to assume someone owns that hero.
Don't they have like free rotations?
Yeah, but it's like I don't know. You could do, guess you could do mirror
you-
match up free rotation.
You have to mirror match up the free rotation. Unlockers. Imagine having to buy your hero.
I think that's why they hold like mains so dear. Like a lot of league players have like a main
Yeah,
because they have to buy it.
makes sense. I
I
forgot
don't-
they had to buy heroes.
I mean, they're pretty cheap. They like implemented a system where like every time you level up your account, you get one at like half price.
Ooh, how generous!
It's pretty simple mode.
You only have
I
to pay
see you
half.
played our free game. You may now pay half price for one of the characters.
Exactly.
That's how they get you. They tell you it's a good deal, but really it's not. You have to spend to buy all the league characters.
Nice, nice.
That was a nice warning boat.
Yeah, just make sure he knows what to look out for, you know what I'm saying?
Imagine if there was a way to refill your bottle.
Invisibility.
Oh shit.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
Ooh.
What the fuck? Tower's a fucking sniper, dude! Do the money bounties spawn?
No. A river room will spawn every 2 minutes now in either top or bot. Every 2 minute mark.
You hear the side lane bounty runes don't spawn?
No comment.
Really don't know. But the icon is on the minimap.
Chris, what's your experience on Kunka before this game?
400 games.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, so it looks like he's gaining an advantage, but I'm actually slow playing him. I'm hitting him with the drain move.
Yeah, slow start for a veteran.
Now I'm gonna do a special delivery down here at the rune.
That's Scubby.
Uh-oh.
Oh, stop doing
my
that back.
god, he
And here come the
cheated.
sharks.
So much for diplomacy.
You have a 100% record of getting a return kill whenever you die, though, so.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, she's gonna get me tower.
Oh, that what?
Wait, he might get this before I spawn.
Radiant's middle tower is under attack.
Wait, how did you know I was coming?
I had a,
Mysterious.
an inkling.
He's got map hacks on.
Imagine.
What is that?
That was cool.
I think you just discovered something.
Oh, I think I just stacked it with the, the clean.
Yeah.
It's kinda sick. See, that's
Can you
how you
still
know I'm a
stack with
Kunkka
the,
veteran.
Yeah, he's a seasoned vet.
Yeah, you can, it's just harder.
You're the last.
It
Yeah, I
looked
call
good.
that
Ah, clear sailing now.
the old ram and roast.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
Double damage.
Dire victory.
Aw, damn. I was hoping the double damage rune would carry me through that. And you
You had a
wouldn't
DD rune?
notice it. Yeah.
Lots of heart and courage though, he stood his ground.
Aw, yeah. I was like, alright, just pop all my regen in the double damage rune and cross the old fingies.
I was a little nervous on the Kunkka pick, but I guess it worked out.
Yeah, you know, I've played like probably 500 games of every other hero since I've last played Kunkka, so you know I couldn't remember the combo timing, unfortunately. But you know, it was a close game.
I don't think you have to time it anymore. You just press X whenever you need it.
No, don't you have to time the Q though? And the ship.
I mean, you put you X and then Q and then ship, but then you can just press X whenever. So whenever
Yeah,
like Q's
Oh,
about to
shit,
go
I
off,
see,
you just
yeah.
press X.
Damn.
There's a few close ones where I almost didn't get the combo. I was a little worried, but
It was the first 2-1 of the tournament,
Alright,
and now I get to go down to roast BC. So you know, it
What
might
you
have been an
got, Will?
intentional. You know, just let him move on. I'll get him later.
Grammar next
The,
month is
uh,
Kestrel. How do you feel?
oh, easy. I didn't know that these tournaments were supposed to get easier.
Oh,
Here as we went on, I
yeah,
thought it was
it is
supposed to get
probably an
harder.
easier round. True.
Yeah, you get a free walkover after this one. It's grueling 2-1.
I don't know that I can do it right now because I gotta do some stuff. But
Yeah, we won't do it now. But that prediction I sent you was manifesting itself.
Yeah.
what's the prediction?
I predicted the outcome of the tournament with each result, and this was one of them.
Whoa! Whoa!
He was betting against you there, Dan Jones.
Oh my god.
No, but then I bet him to win the next one, so...
Oh, that's gonna be sicko mode.
Oh
I
wait,
can't wait
do
to
we,
see
or
that.
if I lose to Kestrel, which isn't gonna happen, but if that happened, then I would play.
You play the winner of Badger vs Spider-Man, I think.
Yeah,
Okay.
you know, I've 1v1'd both Shadawn and Sosa. And you know, I'm gonna be honest, I think Shadawn is favored for the next matchup.
That's not very nice.
Wait, I can commend you in the 1v1 screen?
Oh, I didn't see that. Oops.
That's
Here.
sick.
Imagine not commending your opponent. Kind
Yeah,
of
it's
fun.
pretty bad sportsmanship.
I didn't
from
see the
Shadawn
commend
over
from
there,
you.
dude.
I didn't.
He's DMing.
I didn't see the comment from you come through.
Alright.
Where's the